Hey guys, in this video I've got some Elementor columns and they've got text in there. What I'm going to do is, this is going to work for sections or columns. I'm going to show you how to make this clickable like this. And we'll also cover how to fix the common problem where the layout breaks. Let's get into it. What I want to do is make these clickable. So if you click on them, it takes them to a URL. By default, if I click on the column and then go down to container and then HTML tag a link, you'd think that's how you do it, puts it in. But as soon as you do this, publish it, it's going to break the layout and it's going to look a right mess. So we can see that it instantly breaks the layout. So this method doesn't work. I'm going to show you a method that does work. So take this out, put it back to default, press publish. What we want to do now, we're going to install a plugin, go plugins, add new. And we're going to search for Make Column Clickable for Elementor. And it's got pretty good reviews, 100,000 installations. Install now. And then once it's installed, activate. Go back to your page, refresh the page. Then scroll down to the column that you want to click on. And there we've got a new one which says contain a link. And then you can put your URL in there. Add your URL in. It's up to you if you want to add it in opening a new window. I'm going to press publish. And then the next thing you want to do before you add it to any others is just check that it's working. So I'm on the front end. Let's have a look. And you see, this time it hasn't broken the layout. And when I move my mouse over, I can click on it and it opens the correct page. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and smash that subscribe. And if you didn't like it, well, hit the dislike twice.